Today I am explaining in Tally how to create a company. So first we want to select here work in educational mode. Our Tally screen, it is opened. This is called title bar. Tally ERP9 we are having, no, this is called title bar. It is showing title. We are using at present Tally ERP9 version. In this title bar, right side we have control buttons. Minimize, maximize and close buttons we are having. These buttons we are using to controlling the screen. Minimize we are using to minimizing the screen. Maximize we are using to maximizing the screen. In this Tally, close button it is not working. We want to close this software, means you can press escape, you can give enter. Our software is closed. Again you can double click the icon. Our Tally ERP9 software, it is opening. Now you can select here work in educational mode. Now this is called horizontal bar. Here we have a print, export, mail, this and all we are having. This is called horizontal bar. In horizontal bar we have so many buttons, print, export, this and all we are having. Once we are created company, regarding that situation we are using this and all. Next, this is called company area. This is called company area. Here it is showing how many companies we are created, what is our company name, what is the financial year we are using, what is the last date of entry, that and all it is showing. So this is called, it is a company info panel. This is called a company info panel. Here we have so many options. So select company, create company, login remote user, which function button do you want, you can select it and it is possible to operating. This is called button bar. In button bar, all shortcut keys it is showing. Once we are created company, regarding that situation, what necessary buttons we need, that all shortcut keys it is showing here. So this is called Tally status bar. It is showing all status, I mean which version we are using, which mode we are using, what is our serial number, it is showing that and all. Next I want to create a company, means here under company info panel you can select create company option. So first letter it is blinking C. C is a shortcut key of company creation. You can press C button. Now company creation screen it is displayed. Now we can type your company name. Suppose I am typing ABC Limited. Mailing name automatically it is showing. Now we can type address. Your company address you want to type. Next to country. Once we are moved into country, a list of countries it is coming right side. So your company in which country, you can select your country. Now our state also we want to select. Now pin code also we want to type. Your company phone number, your company mobile number, your company fax number, your company email address. So your company email address, that and all we want to type. Next, here it is asking financial year begins from. Financial year means which year accounts you are maintaining, you can type. At present our financial year is 1st April 2020. Starting date only I am giving. Enter. Books beginning from same date. I am beginning my books and all same date only. Next it is asking security control. At present I am not using security control. Why means without security control how company is opening, first we want to learn. After we will discuss this one. Now empty. Enter. Automatically that cursor move on base currency information. In this base currency information, regarding our country, what country we are selected on the basis of it is coming. We no need to change anything in this screen. By default information we are having. So just you can give a enter, you can save the company. It is asking accept yes or no. Enter button or Y button you can press, it is saving. Enter I am pressing now. So our company it is saved now. See, our company name is ABC Limited. What is the current period, what is current date, it is showing like this. Now how to close the software? Give escape, give enter, it is closed.